All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be talking about multiplication, and we're going to be talking about multiplying two-digit numbers. So two numbers that have a digit in the tens place and a digit in the ones place. So for example, 26 has a 2 in the tens place and a 6 in the ones place. 42 has a 4 in the tens place and a 2 in the ones place. Those are two-digit numbers. So hopefully you've been studying your multiplication facts, so you know those pretty well, because that's going to help you out a lot as you start multiplying larger numbers. So we're going to use what we know about place value today to multiply two-digit numbers using something called the box method. Okay, so we have this problem 35 times 44. So what I'm going to do is, it's called the box method, so I need to create a box. So let's do that first. And excuse my drawing. And it's going to have 4 smaller boxes inside. Okay, so on the top up here, I'm going to put 35, and I'm going to change these colors so it makes it a little bit easier for you. This is going to be 35 up here. And then on the left side, we're going to put 44. Now I put these off to the side because I told you this is a place value strategy, which means we're going to break these numbers into tens and ones. So in 35, you have 3 tens, which is the same as 30. And you have 5 ones plus those 5 ones. In 44, you have 4 tens, which is the same as 40. And you have 4 ones. Hold on. There we go. And 4 ones. All right, in this box, I'm going to be multiplying this number 30 times this number 40. Now those look like really big numbers, but if you know what 3 times 4 is, and you know what 30 times 4 is, then you can figure out what 30 times 40 is. Okay. In the next box, we're going to still use this 40, but we're now going to multiply 5 times the 40. Because that's our number on top now, not 30, but 5. And 40 is still our number that's on the left. When I get down here, 30 is on top, so I'm going to put 30 here. But now we have 4 that's on the left. So I'm going to multiply 30 times 4. And then our last box, 4 times 5, or excuse me, 5's on the top. Let's keep it the same way. 5's on the top, 4 here, so 5 times 4. Now, if I know 3 times 4 is 12, I know that 30 times 4 is 120. So 30 times 40 is 10 times more than 120, which is 1,200. If I know 5 times 4, which is 20, I know that 5 times 40 is 10 more than 20, which is 200. I go up a place with my place value when it's 10 times more. 30 times 40, well, if I know 3 times 4 is 12, and that's 10 times more because the 3 is being multiplied times 10 to make 30, so that's 120. 12 and times 10 is 120. And then 5 times 4, hopefully you all know that rather quickly, quickly, we're going to add these numbers, and I like to do 2 at a time. Easy here, 0 and 0. We have 200 and 200, which is 400. And then we have no thousands in this bottom number, so we just carry our 1 down. Then plus 120. I like adding just 2 at a time because it makes it less confusing for me. And I like to start by adding my biggest numbers first. That's why I chose 1,200, 1,200 and 200. So here, 0, 1 still, 20, but no 10s at the top. So we just carry down the 20. 400 and 100 is 500. And then there's no thousands again. And our last 20. So we have no 1 still. 20 and 20 more is 40. So I put a 4 in the tens place. 5, I don't have any hundreds down here, so 500, that will remain. And then there's nothing in the second number in the thousands place. So we continue with 1,000. So my answer to 35 plus 4 times 44 is 1,540. Hopefully you'll be able to use the box method to multiply 2 two-digit numbers. Now we'll do some guided practice.